Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. If you are having this kind of error, then I will tell you then how you can fix that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to close that page. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold your Instagram app. After that, you have to simply click on app info. In app info, what you have to check, first of all, you have to click on storage and cache, and here you have to simply clear the cache of your Instagram app. After clearing the cache, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can simply also click on clear the storage. After that, you can also check whether the problem has solved or not. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the permission and you have to check whether you have allowed all kind of permission to Instagram. After that, you have to also check whether you have provided the internet connection to Instagram or not, which means you have to check whether you have allowed background data usage to Instagram or not. If it is also done and the error is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store, and after opening the Play Store, what you have to do, you have to simply search for Instagram. After searching the Instagram, you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update. If it is showing any kind of update, you have to simply update your Instagram, because in updates many errors and bugs are fixed by the Instagram. After doing all the things, hope your error has been fixed. If the problem is still there, you can mention us in comments. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.